In this video, I want to show you Toyota 90, the 90s vehicles, but this is called Toyota 90, as you can see. But today, I have been surprised to find 90. You know, as we mechanics, every day in our job, we get challenges somewhere, somehow. But today, as I told you that I have been surprised, I found a distributor of, it has 4 wires here on the socket, and it has the 2 wires here also on the socket. But things changed on the other 190. There is another 90s with a distributor of just 2 wires, but this one, it has almost 6 wires. We have this socket and we have this socket which has 4 wires. Surprisingly, it has igniter here which has 5 wires. But before we go on the distributor, let me first show you how to connect this socket or igniter to this ECU. This is the ECU, but let me show you. This ECU is labeled inside. As you can see, there is GF, NE negative, NE positive, IGF, IGT, and the others. But let me show you. If we have our socket, which is here, let us start with this wire, this side. It is this one. It is black white, sends signal to coil. Then the black here, it is for RPM in the dashboard. Then this one, it is black yellow, it is for ignition, which means switch. Then white, plain white, it is for IGT. It is for IGT. Then black, then white red, it is for black red, it is for IGF inside the computer. Let us put that aside and go to distributor. This is our distributor. It has 4 wires. So this one, this first, see this white, black white, from here to here on the igniter. This igniter sends the signal to here. Let us continue with our distributor. This socket with 4 wires. Remember, if we decided to start from this side of left, in original color, this car has red, black, yellow, and blue. When we start at the left side, when you plug in your socket on distributor, red will be the first, which is G plus, G positive. Then black, it will be the second, G negative. Yellow will be the third. IG, not IG. N, E, negative. I say N, E, negative inside the computer also. And blue will be N, E, positive on the socket here. When you connect distributor to ECU, as you see, it is the ECU. I say red, G, positive. Black at the second, it will be G, negative. Yellow third will be NE, negative. Blue will be NE, positive. That is the best way how to connect distributor to ECU. Peace.